Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 7 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Today we're gonna find out. Let's jump right into it. Today's shooting will be in a very tiny cozy corner of the flat. For a key light I use my smaller rectangular softbox. On the opposite side I put the black side of the reflector for absorbing the light and don't have any reflections. For getting a small detail light on the background I use my Speedlight with a Snoot. Most important thing, clean the mirror. Well, let's get a model in. Oh, okay. Two beautiful LK fellas, hashtag best makeup artist. For this shoot I need dark clothing. That's why I go with you. Let's go! Paul. And she's the fairest of them all.